Hello guys, welcome to the channel. We're doing this. I saw Jamal doing it the other day and I thought, you know what, let me review it myself. It comes in a white bag, looks like a carrier bag. That's what they look like inside. Okay, I thought I'd give it a little try. Oh. Yeah, the only reason why I got that is because with all that ice and sugar on there, I feel like Jamal missed out on something funny. But yeah, let's try a pink one. Fine, I can sort that out later. I've still got it on my nose. Oh crap! Right, didn't really taste anything. It's way too powdery. These. All you're tasting is ice and sugar. That last one's supposed to be lemon. Didn't taste lemon at all. First one was supposed to be rose. Didn't taste rose at all neither. Yeah, not really a fan. Not really a fan. Had no flavour. No prominent flavour. But yeah, not great really. Yeah, they're not all that. Definitely not all that. I've had authentic Turkish delight. It's a lot better than that. That is bland as anything. But yeah, it was just a quick review. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it and I hope you found it funny. And I'll see you in the next video.